How to change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut, whether on iPhone, Android or PC, I'll show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on New Project. Now select the video and tap on Add. Now here, if your video clip is selected, simply deselect the video, and after that simply swipe through the bottom toolbar and tap on aspect ratio. And here you can choose the ratio that you want, such as 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, whichever you like. So I'm gonna simply choose 16:9, and here as you can see the video is not fit to the screen. So I'm gonna simply fill in the screen by pinching and dragging the video. But keep in mind that this might crop parts of a video as well. So to customize the background as well, simply scroll through the toolbar option and tap on background in the toolbar. Now choose a blurred background or a solid color or an image and adjust the blur intensity if needed. And once you're happy with your new aspect ratio, you can simply tap on checkmark and export the video. And that's it. Now you can easily resize your video for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and more. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.